Here we go, folks. Michael Platt, Platt Motors, Anderson, California. I'm out here in beautiful Fortuna with my buddy Joe, and we're looking at his 1954 Ford Crestline Skyliner. It's got a V8 engine, California car. The owner's had it for 7 or 8 years. He's taking good care of it. Got power windows, power brakes, power steering, and it's quite the looker. It's a show winner. We got a proud member of the Samurais, based out of the San Gabriel area of, what is that, Los Angeles? San Gabriel? I think it's mountains down there. But hey, I'm out in Fortuna. It's a beautiful day. Look how lovely it is out here. We did the photo shoot in front of this big barn. We got a bunch of cattle. It's good looking steers. You see the mountains in the back. I've been to this town before. This has got to be one of the nicest neighborhoods. Let's get back to the Skyliner. 54 V8 engine, owned for 7 years. Purchased in California. I've seen a couple flaws. I'll point them out to you in the video. What did I see? He said the power windows work. That passenger window has got a crack in it. It's gonna need to be replaced. I see this thing has got a little tear, little chunk taken out of it. Let's see what the miles say. 98,334. 98,334. We got a show winner, first place, Fortuna Redwood Auto Expo. I think it says 2018. I took still pictures. Please check them out at plattmotors.com. Take a picture of that. I see a little bit of crust in there, not too bad. So we got that little chunk on the door panel. Let's see what else we got on this thing. I told you about the crack in the passenger window. Trunk looks good. Took some still pictures. What else we got here? Skyliner looks good. I thought I saw, oh, here we go. Here we go. See a little paint loss there. Hood, driver's side. And then I saw something else here. Thought I saw something. Maybe I didn't. V8 power. We'll take a running video as well. Took some still pictures of the engine. Looks tidy. We got a show winner. We got a Skyliner. So hey, if you like these things like I do, you should give me a call. My name is Michael Platt. I own Platt Motors in Anderson, California. You may have seen my ads on Hemmings.com, ClassicCars.com. I'm now with Classic.com, Auto Trader Classics, my own website, Platt Motors. We are selling classic cars. I believe I am the only licensed classic car dealer in the North State. I'm based in Anderson, California. My phone number is 707-599-9448. PlattMotors@gmail.com. PlattMotors.com is a website. I'm out here with Jerry Platt, aka Jerry Bear, and Joe the owner. I do see that this probably needs a little adjustment. I noticed when we were lifting the hood, it was okay, but it seemed like it may take a little adjustment on those hinges. But hey, it's a 54. It's a Skyliner. Back window's good. That's the real important one. It's gonna need a replacement on the passenger door. I will put it up and take a still photo of that. Feel free to give me a call anytime. Gave you my number, gave you my email. I appreciate you looking at my YouTube videos. Please check out my website. I probably took about 100 photos. I fully disclosed anything that I saw. That's how we do it at Platt Motors. Honesty, transparency, integrity. I'm gonna get down, take some undercarriage photos. And so feel free to call me anytime. I appreciate you looking at my stuff. Take it easy. Bye-bye.